We have all of the different commodities necessary to service the oil and gas industry when it comes to exploration and production in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. We service about 90% of the deepwater activity in the Gulf of Mexico. We're also the service base for a large port facility that imports oil via pipeline from offshore. So with all that being said, we service about 18 to 20% of the nation's oil supply. We saw that there was obviously a need for better communications and better security in Port Fourchon.
I needed to come up with a system that my end users would be able to find user-friendly. They could use it on the fly. They didn't have to be GIS experts. They didn't have to be camera gurus. They just needed to be able to sit at one system.
In April 2010, we were hired by the Port Fourchon to develop their command and control system. We have a technology called the Touch Assisted Command and Control application known as TACS. It's a geospatial operating system that aggregates data from disparate systems into a single application. What they were looking to do was develop interoperability between the port and its port partners, from the Sheriff's Office, Harbor Patrol, and its tenants. How do we create a common operating picture that everybody can look at, everybody can view, and create situational awareness for everybody? What they were looking for was one application that could work with their camera systems, that can work with their computer-aided dispatch systems, that could work with the radar application. Bring these all together into a single framework that everybody can look at and gain situational awareness of what's occurring at the port. So the port had an interesting challenge. They had cameras spread out across the port. The network, in order to get the cameras from their locations into a system where multiple people can look at them, they didn't have the bandwidth to do that. Milestone was able to go out, hit those cameras, bring them in, and then everybody can view them within the C4 application. Instead of everybody going to the cameras and everybody accessing the same cameras and causing strain to the network, utilizing the C4 system, utilizing TACS, and having Milestone there as that traffic cop gave the port the opportunity to get that information disseminated to the multiple partners.
We selected, actually recommended the Milestone video management platform as part of the project due to its ease of integration and its compatibility with the numerous different types of cameras that were in place at Port Fourchon. We also felt that Milestone provided a solution that could integrate well with the behavioral recognition system and the overarching command and control system. We knew that the situation was going to be very complex, and getting a fully integrated solution, the Milestone video management platform provided that solution.
A lot of systems have been mostly proprietary, very hard to work with. You have to write a lot of code. There's a lot of different integration that you have to do to get to the point where the customer's happy. And with Milestone, they're easy to work with. It's a modern data feed. They offered it in a standard-based application, which is what we tend to operate with. So it made for a very easy integration.
We needed to identify our critical assets. We needed to understand what vessels were in the port. We also used the cameras not only for security and resiliency, but for day-to-day operations. You know, we have cases where we may have a bulkhead that may have gotten damaged by a vessel. Well, we need to be able to go back and claim who did that damage, and the cameras have helped us in these instances.
Having Milestone is really important for the system. It allows us easy access to be able to monitor the things going on in the port. I certainly enjoy being able to monitor things from my iPad or from my iPhone, and it's really important for us to be able to do that any given day, any given moment basis.
We've been able to work with our local partners. We have our parish EOC, the Lafourche Parish Sheriff's Office, LOOP, the Louisiana Offshore Oil Port, which services 18% of the nation's oil, as well as, of course, our Harbor Police. We have this at our administrative offices, we have this in our police vehicles, and we have this in our operations building.
Milestone has always been, the friend to police departments. If we have a theft or if we have an accident that takes place in port, we can always go to the cameras as a means to gather information, to gather evidence that we can use to solve a case. Without having that recording, it would just be guesswork. If you have to go to a judge or to court, like you say, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Well, in this case, it's worth everything that they're out there to do, and that's to solve a case or to bring justice to a case.
We're also currently building a multi-agency emergency response center that should be completed by the end of this year. This system will be in there and will be displayed on a video wall and will be an integral part of any incident type command or any disaster recovery type plan.
And all the systems that we've been able to put together, we are now better prepared for any sort of security breaches.